Ghetto you, I'm telling you something. People will hate you for your confidence. Like how you make them weak. People will hate you for your joy. Like how you make them sad. And then them wish sadness upon you instead of wishing joy upon themselves. You believe that shit? You know what I'm here wondering? Random thought. Why they don't teach us to pay taxes from school? Them not teach you to pay taxes in school. You ever think about that? Something that you have to do, whether you're self-employed, whether you're rich, whether you're poor. I never could wrap my head around that. That's crazy, right? Yeah, man, there's something to think about. And most people don't think about it because, I mean, yeah, kids are going to school. So if them not put it in your head, you're not going to really amends that. But just the thing with me always I wonder still, it's weird. And it don't mean I understand about USA or America or UK or I've never heard anywhere in the world where them actually teach kids in school like you have. Yeah, I have accounting, but I think me never get that in my accounting class. Unless me that go school too long ago. But tax did I pay long ago? I don't know. I wonder why. I'm out.
I don't have no Jay-Z right now. I'm very single. You know I'm single? You believe? I'm single, man, for a long time. Long time. To control it.
Yeah, sir.
It was long, the man can't control me.
You have your own business.
I don't believe the man to control a woman. I like that. So until you say a man start control a woman, he's insecure.
He's a remote control. Mute.
You crazy? No, from me. I'm not spend on girl. I never run them out there. My mother never grew me to make nobody control me. You're crazy. I'm strictly business. Because I don't know why. I don't know because sometimes people will assume things about me they don't know me. That's where people always go wrong. You judge me and you don't know me.
Just like Christ.
If you know me for yourself, you'd have said, wow, this woman's a classy woman. This woman don't dibble-dabble.
No, yes, definitely.
Because nobody can grind me.
Yes, definitely. Like
they work.
All right, I was watching the other day.
He's a class act. Listen, nobody can grind me to put me nowhere in a life.
I was watching.
Anything I do is by choice.
And then I see Khago with the locks. So then come like, she like Rasta.
No. I mean, big up to every Rastafarian. No, I don't feel like me I'm not enough Rasta. Rasta ballad, man, but we were just doing music and it's promotion. So I don't know why people run with it because I see every artist and then artist, them promote, them perform on stage, them do them content, them do what they have to do because it's called promotion.
No, you hear them, I don't want to me, you know. You see them walking that beach and I say, whoa. We say, no, no.
So why
see people talking that water and come back.
So why somebody going to the beach? So I heard that.
Michelle,
come on.
No, but Michelle, the time when you are talking about, I love it. I love the energy though. I love the energy.
I'm happy that you identify that.
No, I love the energy.
It's a musical energy.
No,
I'm happy and people love it.
I love the
so,
energy.
You know, people are going to say what they want to say. People are going to see me up on the live right now and answer me there. Because people are like that.
Oh, because he just don't talk to Brockman.
You know what I don't like with people? I don't know because I was Rodney's common law wife and being his ex-wife.
Oh Lord.
They just thought that I'm available. I don't know.
No, she's unavailable.
I don't know. I've never seen with an artist. Oh, she's an artist. Like say, it's like say it was I saw it. I saw my thing set. Like,
remember
it wasn't that.
Remember this.
It wasn't that. I never talk to them because they're an artist.
No, I them look you. You never look them.
No, I remember saying they pick out the artist out of them and I deal with them.
The person.
The person. Yes, I never care about them artists, legacy or them artists.
You know you have your own talk show.
Me talk to them.
You have your own talk show, your own podcast.
We strip them up. The celebrity part. And we deal with them. Don't play me like that. And I have to put respect on my name every time because that's why I see them fall for the girl here. I married me and them somebody here and come on along wife them. You know.
Can't stand her, be said.
Two categories be going there though.
Can't stand it.
Because they can't corrupt like they were a celebrity.
No, I want you to guess.
Me deal with you as a man
can't
and a decide. You
can't
ever hear me listen to them?
No, man. You're a lady.
Thank you, but don't
You
say.
are.
Me
You
never
are.
do that.
Damn, even me, I say, boy. But that blood clear Rasta boy, you're so lucky. Oh, Khago get angel after boy.
Man? No, man. Well, no one.
No, me think me not tell
What,
that.
you think so too?
Me-
Why? I saw me from
When me see him go there, guess what me see him? No, when you go there beach,
acting.
when you go to beach,
We are act.
when you go to the beach, I me see they stand up and they dip down in the water and come up back.
We are act.
When-
In the water? How me never say that?
And the man, when they say,
It was like the bad suit.
like
And the bad suit.
and the bad suit
See,
trick
man,
me.
the man in clothes.
I'm not the one who have any act in the water. In the water. And you're not easy, like I say, oh, don't put on a shot. Just come in there, come in there, water, in your pants, and the shirt. You say, oh, this man. You know,
Mom! Serious, Miss Anderson.
what a night, beautiful
That's my
lady.
mom. Yo, if you have somebody, a friend, and I know things about you, and I call me and a friend again, you go talk.
No, go on.
Pussy that.
Dirty.
So, excuse my language, guys.
Yeah, tonton.
Yeah, tonton that. Or two-tongue.
Tonton.
Two-tongue that.
Yeah, your body start out a while ago. But,
I want it to them, I'm trying to get mad. I'm trying to get mad because it's not worth it. It's not worth it. When they go low, I go high. Pretty much.
That you go get a piece.
Everything. Angel of peace that I've rat.
Yeah, piece of
You don't
rat,
want to see the rat, you know. You don't want to see the rat, yeah?
Crazy machine.
No. But it's angel. They don't want to see angel rat. Nobody don't want to see that.
Yeah, man,
just chill. Because they sense you come up, you know, it just don't argument.
Nice.
Like argument. I have a lot of.
You was being a man's wife.
Yeah.
Was born to kill
a wife.
Being a man's
A wife that was then keep girl. Are them
No,
are them girl they just want to look? Are them just want to look? But women, but them somebody if you give me respect. Because it's not like me was them mattress and me was them call girl and me was them one night stand. Was the man them like literal wife.
Yeah, the person in them life.
Yeah, in them life. So you don't disrespect a woman for that.
Some people got your feet. Some people got your feet, right?
It wasn't a keep girl.
And then it was a crossfire because they're both enemies. So this
I
is
don't mean them in the enemy. They have been enemy before me.
Man.
Me have nothing to do with it. You know, for them life for them did I live on the cause of me. And see me out to the picture and turn back friend.
When
They have nothing to do with me.
when the bomb buckle there.
They have nothing to do with me.
What is the mix up?
They don't look at
See you in that picture and told them turn back friend.
Yeah, I mean, I care.
You know what this have done?
Come look back.
You know what I'm Yo,
What the hell?
before there.
What?
Bomb buckle, you're dangerous, you know?
I'm look cause
Where is it? When two of them done?
when me use that picture then turn back friends so wait what? And music people them do.
What that picture with the travel?
And music them do, and at the end of the day, me willing to share stage with both of them. Me look at two of them as my co-worker. I don't look at them as nothing else. Me look at them as my co-worker. When we're in that space there, me look at the two man them as the co-worker. I learn a lot from them. That's why nobody can break me.
No, you're starting strong.
Nobody can break me.
Because the two column them say.
Column. So look up, baby.
Oh, I knew that.
Column. So look a big draws girl can break me. Boy. No big draws boy can break me. Come stand up between.
Column. Big stuff like that. Yeah.
My journey is just crazy. So baganize me now listen. Now listen what I say. Me don't want to hear, me don't want to see me and focus, I drop music. The journey continues. It's just my luck. Some of the decide say right now. I think I'll keep myself more guarded in terms of who me alone in my space.
In a circle, yeah.
In my circle. Because every good are good enough. Some people just come for this try, if you feel like or think, and they can bring it down. And them are going this and that and that and that. You see me never talk nothing when I know about people. If me in a link again, you can't hear me come. You see like big dirty draws here we here.
A big dirty girl with them. So I'm chatting. Like you're some, and then you go, but this close, way on the man.
No, you can't do that because at the end of the day,
some girl know them.
Me no know. But I'm not that style.
Like some girl now, they used to that man, then when the man mash up, and then go and tell their friends, say, oh, him eat tonton.
No man, that's a joke.
That's a set.
Joke thing.
Or him threesome, him want something like, oh, you in love with somebody, and then you're gone,
can't do that. Slander them. Slander them. Can't do that. One thing with me. Nobody can. It's anything to talk to somebody, you cannot hear anything about me.
It's not your business.
I'm not going to disclose it because that is not your business.
It's not your business. Your business is your business.
Your business is your business.
What you know?
If you tell me something, you never tell me if you go tell people. I say, well, I'm a big dirty girl. As I say me, Yo,
Me there.
my thing militant me there. My thing militant. Me there? Me there? My thing militant me there.
Yeah,
so, certain lifestyle on me, aside from me tell you say, my energy, me now, certain things me now watch. And enough times, people will say things about me and people call me and say, Angel, and me don't watch it. They send it to the phone, and me just delete it. I'm not going to watch it. Because that don't represent who I am and what I'm about. Me now watch it.
Yeah, because you have a brother now.
I'm not busy with nobody want to say, me now watch it. Me not in an argument with you. Me not in a problem with the body. Yes,
Angel Foundation, Angel
Music. Yeah.
Angel the mother, Angel the single lady.
Yeah.
Angel the, you understand?
Everything.
The